I love beef. So many different cuts, so many great recipes. But my favorite go-to Sunday night bring on the booyah is this bad boy. Prime rib. What a great cut of beef, and there's a lot going on here. Really good marbling in it, keeps the meat nice and juicy, and it's on the bone. So, to start the flavor engagement, I need a nice rub. Mine's pretty simple, but it's pretty flavorful. Lots of black pepper, lots of salt. Garlic powder, just because it's delicious. Onion powder, can't have one without the other. Doo. A little bit of dry thyme, it just makes so much sense to me. Garlic salt. Mustard powder, bring on the heat. Let's rub a rib. Perfect. And then on with the claw. I just like to hold my hand at the back, a little bit of pressure, in, and then nice and tight. First things first, you want to put it on your rotisserie and make sure it does one full rotation without slipping. I love doing this. Okay, ready? Turn it on. And I like to cook my prime rib with indirect heat. So on the left side, 0 heat and a drip pan to catch all the juices. And on the right-hand side, that's where I'm gonna get my heat from. And to add to the flavor, check this out. I make a little wine hot tub in the drip tray, and it kind of adds moisture and stops any flammage. Yes. And then, this is another cool trick. Put a little rosemary down in there, and the wine heats up, and then it gets fat drippings, and then the rosemary heats up, and when it steams, it's just rosemary prime rib hot tub steamage. Good luck. So it's been about an hour. Let's have a look. Woohoo! That thing looks great. I know there's a lot of flavor on there, lots of garlic in the dry rub, but I'm a garlic fiend. I'm gonna brush it with garlic butter. That looks great, just a little bit longer. So good. All right, this thing's had enough time to rest. Time to get into it. And when I'm resting my prime rib, when it's been on a spit, I like to leave the rod in there. Don't take it out. You'll lose a lot of juice. Let the thing kind of calm down, and then you can take it off. Take off the butcher twine and take off the bones, and that is really easy. Roll with me, guys. You know, with meat this kind of quality, simple seasonings, cook it well, rest it well, and you're in heaven. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is prime rib 101. Nice crust, crispy fat. That is dynamite. We don't cook turkey at Christmas, we make prime rib, and it's so nice to just sit outside, roast a piece of meat with my dad, and have a bevy. I really like the end parts where there's a little bit of fat. So good. The band just started playing. Woo! It's really nice and moist from the drip tray, adding a bit more steam and some essence of rosemary. But let's be honest, something that quality doesn't need a lot. Simple seasonings, have fun, cook it right, and enjoy it with friends and family. That prime rib is perfect.